What's up guys, I'm Yui. Today I'm gonna talk about whether or not it's worth it to visit Sihanoukville in Cambodia. Sihanoukville is my hometown and I lived there for many years, but I moved out to London around 5 years ago. And when I came back, everything had changed a lot. I couldn't recognize it at all. Sihanoukville used to be one of the best places to go for backpackers visiting Cambodia. But now all of that has changed. This is how it started. In 2017, nearly 100,000 foreigners' arrivals were Chinese. Chinese people invested lots of money in Sihanoukville and built lots of casinos, fancy hotels, Chinese restaurants, and more. Everything then changed Sihanoukville in just a few quick years, and many expats and backpackers left and stopped going there. After that, the COVID-19 pandemic started. Sihanoukville took a heavy hit from the COVID-19 pandemic, and many construction buildings, casinos, Chinese restaurants, and shops were closed. And many Chinese people left the city. Since the Chinese left and the backpackers stopped going there, Sihanoukville became calm and quiet. But what made the city so great for expats and backpackers originally had changed. The Western-owned businesses had all closed down. There are way less hostels, bars, restaurants, bike rentals, tourist agencies, and nightlife spots than there used to be. Which means you can't just have Western food and meet up with other Westerners and go party easily like you could before. But there still are some good things about Sihanoukville. It now has good roads, shopping malls, 7-Eleven stores, cinemas, and it's cleaner than before. I like that it has good roads and it's less dusty. But on the other hand, the vibe has changed completely and it's kind of sad. Ultra Big was changed completely. All the Westerner bars and restaurants were destroyed. Now there are many new buildings, local restaurants, and shops. And there are street food stores around it instead. There are still some Westerner bars and restaurants at Orchard Village, but very few and they are far away from the city. So is it worth it to visit Sihanoukville now in 2022? It depends on the person. If you are a Westerner who likes to go to Western bars, restaurants, nightlife, and meet up with other Westerners to party, this city is probably not for you. But if you are someone who likes to explore the country and see all parts of no matter what, it can be still an interesting place to visit. With all the new roads, shopping malls, cinemas, 7-Eleven stores, and new developments, Sihanoukville can be quite a nice place to live or visit. But it's definitely not a tourist destination like it once was, and you won't see many foreigners here. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, please comment below the video. I'd like to help if I can. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye.